Hey guys, Dr. Mike here. Did you know that this unassuming plant packs more vitamin C than an orange, more potassium than a banana, and more calcium than milk? It's called Moringa. For centuries, Moringa has been a staple in traditional medicine, especially in its native regions of Asia and Africa. Recently, the Western world has caught on to its incredible health benefits. In this video, we're diving deep into the 10 powerful health benefits of Moringa powder that you absolutely need to know. Let's get it. Let's face it, in today's fast-paced world, feeling our best can be a challenge. Many of us struggle with low energy, brain fog, and just an overall lack of get up and go. We're constantly bombarded with stress, environmental toxins, and processed foods that deplete our bodies of essential nutrients. This leaves us feeling drained, run down, and more susceptible to illness. It's like our bodies are constantly playing catch-up, trying to maintain balance in a system that's constantly under attack. But it doesn't have to be this way. There are natural solutions out there that can help us reclaim our health and vitality. And that's where Moringa comes in. Moringa is like nature's multivitamin, packed with an abundance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that our bodies crave. One of the most remarkable things about Moringa is its exceptional nutrient profile. We're talking about a powerhouse of essential nutrients that your body needs to function at its best. Moringa boasts significant amounts of vitamins A, C, and E, all potent antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Moringa is also a great source of essential minerals, like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. And let's not forget about the protein content. Gram for gram, Moringa powder contains more protein than eggs and even some meats. This impressive combination of vitamins, minerals, and protein makes Moringa a true nutritional powerhouse. Now, let's delve into some of the more surprising health benefits of Moringa. One of the most exciting areas of research surrounding Moringa is its potential to combat inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to a wide range of health problems, from heart disease and cancer to arthritis and autoimmune disorders. Moringa contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Moringa has also been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a valuable tool for managing type 2 diabetes. Studies suggest that Moringa may improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to use glucose more effectively. Its high concentration of antioxidants and vitamins C and E helps strengthen your body's natural defenses. These are just a few of the incredible health secrets that Moringa holds. Chapter 4. Balancing blood sugar naturally. In today's world, managing blood sugar levels is a growing concern. With the rise of sugary drinks, processed foods, and sedentary lifestyles, more and more people are facing the challenges of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Studies have shown that Moringa contains compounds that may help lower blood sugar levels after meals. It's believed that Moringa achieves this by reducing the amount of sugar absorbed by the intestines and improving how the body uses insulin. Imagine incorporating a simple, natural supplement into your routine that could potentially help you gain better control over your blood sugar. While more research is needed to fully understand the long-term effects of Moringa on blood sugar regulation, the initial findings are certainly encouraging. Chapter 5. Supercharging your body's defenses. We all know how important it is to have a strong immune system, especially in today's world. Moringa can be a powerful ally in supporting a healthy immune response. Its rich antioxidant profile plays a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage cells and weaken the immune system. Vitamins C and E, both found in abundance in Moringa, are well known for their immune-boosting properties. By incorporating Moringa into your diet, you're essentially giving your immune system an extra layer of protection, helping it stay strong and resilient against whatever life throws your way. Chapter 6. The antioxidant powerhouse. In a world increasingly exposed to pollution, stress, and processed foods, our bodies are constantly bombarded by free radicals. These unstable molecules can damage our cells, leading to inflammation, premature aging, and even chronic diseases. Antioxidants are our body's natural defense against free radical damage, and Moringa is jam-packed with them. From vitamin C and E to flavonoids and polyphenols, Moringa boasts a diverse range of antioxidants. These antioxidants have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, cancer, and other chronic illnesses. Moringa provides a natural and delicious way to boost your antioxidant intake and protect your body from the inside out. Chapter 7. Unlocking your natural energy. Feeling tired and sluggish? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with low energy levels, often turning to caffeine and sugary snacks for a quick pick-me-up. Moringa offers a different approach, one that focuses on nourishing your body from the inside out to unlock your natural energy reserves. Its unique combination of nutrients works synergistically to combat fatigue and boost your vitality. Iron is essential for transporting oxygen throughout the body, and Moringa is a good source of this vital mineral. Moringa also contains B vitamins, which play a crucial role in converting food into energy. By addressing the root causes of fatigue and providing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive, Moringa can help you feel more energized and vibrant throughout the day. We've talked a lot about the individual nutrients found in Moringa, but what truly sets it apart is its incredible nutrient density. This means that for its weight, Moringa packs a significantly higher concentration of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants compared to many other foods. Think of it this way: you'd have to eat pounds of spinach to get the same amount of iron found in just a small amount of Moringa. The same goes for vitamin A from carrots or calcium from milk. Moringa allows you to reap the benefits of these essential nutrients in a much more concentrated form. This makes Moringa an incredibly efficient way to nourish your body and bridge nutritional gaps in your diet. Healthy skin starts from within, and Moringa's impressive nutrient profile makes it a powerful ally in your skincare routine. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, Moringa can help protect, nourish, and revitalize your skin from the inside out. Its high concentration of antioxidants helps combat free radical damage, one of the leading causes of premature aging. Moringa is also a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Additionally, Moringa's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties may help address skin conditions like acne and eczema. Whether you're looking to prevent signs of aging, address specific skin concerns, or simply enhance your natural glow, Moringa can be a valuable addition to your skincare arsenal. We often overlook the importance of a healthy gut, but it plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. Our gut is home to trillions of bacteria that make up our gut microbiome, which influences everything from digestion and nutrient absorption to immunity and even our mood. Moringa has shown promising potential in supporting a healthy gut microbiome. Its high fiber content acts as a prebiotic, providing food for the beneficial bacteria in our gut. This helps promote a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is essential for optimal digestion and overall health. By promoting a healthy gut microbiome, Moringa can have far-reaching benefits for your overall health. So there you have it, the 10 powerful health benefits of Moringa powder that you absolutely need to know. From boosting your energy and strengthening your immune system, to regulating blood sugar and promoting radiant skin, Moringa is truly a gift from nature. Incorporating Moringa powder into your diet is simple and convenient. You can add it to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or even just mix it with water or juice. Experiment with different ways to include this nutritional powerhouse in your daily routine and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. Until next time, stay healthy.